Shabby FSOP. So let's look at SAE USD on 2 hours and 30 minutes for a quick market reaction. So see what's gonna give us. For record, Shabby FS Hub will never call you for account management or for soliciting of fund or for helping you grow your account. Maybe you are not trading well. Let's help you. No, 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 no. This is forbidden in my strategy. The reason behind free trades is to share our trade idea for free. And at any time, it will always be for free. And I will tell you that it doesn't cost anything to do free trade. It doesn't cost anything. So let's look at the structure and see where we're going from here. So we have a clean structure at that level. I want to view it on 3 hours. Good. So on 3 hours, it gives us the same 3 hours aligned with 2 hours. So we've got a structure and we'll return back and to see how price have reacted at those areas. Now, the next thing we want to see is that the market has already broken out from a trend. And that trend, I like to look at it on 1 hour. I'm looking at 1 hour trend breakout. 1 hour trend back breakout gives me a clue as to where market is going, whether it's going for a retest or it's just going away from here completely. On 1 hour, we have a structure, and you'll see that price updated a series of demand structure before break of structure, followed by a potential retest, and shortly after that, price have gone on to retest the lower zone, and we are expecting a higher zone retest. And we are still anticipating a new all-time high, which is very much possible that it will happen in the market. And if that happens, that will be in the zone of most likely tomorrow. The market might push up tomorrow again, and this time might be heading into 2,968 into 2,970. So this is what we are anticipating for tomorrow price action. And if you look critically today, what happened today is market pricing breakout of a descending trend line. We have a 1 hour descending trend line. Look at the 1 hour descending trend line. And on that 1 hour descending trend line, market broke out first retest, second retest, and the third retest. Price has reacted based on the principles of break and retest. And we got that on 1 hour. And price came back, retested that structure. And it's on that footnote that we have found stronger demand at the 31 level, and market is pricing it. It's ending up in a buy. So another thing we want to look at is let's scale down to 45 minutes. 45 minutes happens to be my new preferred POE. I look at 45 minutes and it gives me a whole lot of clue as to what's going on in the market. If you look at 45 minutes gives you a very clean structure. We are not breaking the body of a structure. You can see a breakout, retest 1, retest 2, and finally price came retest 3. And you have seen a 36, 31 pulling up again. Now, this becomes our new litmus test on 45 minutes, which also align with 2 hours and at the same time 3 hours. The only validation we have here is from here, but when we switch back to 2 hours, this that invalidation seems to disappear, and when we return to 4 hours, we are not seeing it. So it makes a whole lot of sense to see that a break below that structure will be a sell. So this becomes your sell litmus test, and it's been serving as a buy litmus test. So If that structure is broken, believe it or not, the market will most likely want to go in for a push up. So if we break out from that structure, then the next thing I want to see is a strong bearish drop. A breakout from the structure will ultimately return price. Now from the upside, I see the market not really moving much. We need to go up. Now we have found support on that 3 hours, 2 hours consolidation. You can see 2 hours close. So if market closes above that structure, it still keeps the bullish bias active and very much alive. So it gives us the opportunity to move into 2,968, 65, up to 70 like earlier we posted. So now another thing we want to see is after finding our floor, we need to look into our roof. And our roof is going to be at this level. That's where we look for a potential sell opportunity, where that cycle will complete after price have made a move. We expect the price should come there and react. So then the next thing I want to do is to come back to 30 minutes, and I'm looking for something in 30 minutes. Let's switch back to my line chart and take note of the trend. You can see that structure. We have a breakout structure at that level, and after that, price started creating series of supply roof, supply roof, supply roof, supply roof. And let us come to the bottom. We have an ascending trend line on 30 minutes holding price. Ladies and gentlemen, this becomes your new trade for the day. You see, trading gold is very dynamic, but I believe that the more time we spend in the market, the more we grow. It's not a overnight growth thing. The more time you spend, the more you grow. The more time you spend, the more you grow. So you see, after we took out that structure, then we return back to the chart and you see where price have reacted. You get in here on sniper entry 2,931 on a sniper entry. So that is what today brought it that way, and it just did exactly what the day brought. So this is just basically what just happened today. Market created updated series of the roof, and when it got back to the roof on sniper entry, it dropped the price. If you go watch my previous post, I was very specific on that. After previous posts I've done on SAU USD, and price have come to that area and sold out. Now what we want to see is a potential ripping into, if price returns again, it will most likely break the structure, then trade on it to head into the 70 zone. That will be a new all-time high. And on that note, I want to look at 1 hour breakout. My 1 hour breakout is still pending. So if that happens, then I'll be looking for another sniper entry to sell in line with what the market is doing. So So this is what I want to see next. So if market pulls up here on technical, it's gonna be a sell. It's gonna be a big sell. So the reaction today even came on double confluence. We have the close of 1 hour candle, and the market on the same route reacted 54, 54, 55, 56 in my previous video. Go watch it. Go watch it. It's there. The sell is there. And it's like that. Market is dynamic. If it gives you and you don't secure it, it takes it away from you. The market is going to give you, and the market is still going to take it away. The same way he gave you, that's how he will take it away. It's give and take. He gives and it takes. So when he gives you and you don't secure it, he takes it back. So we want to break out of that structure. So when we have a breakout of 2,954, then you are going to 70 something. That will be extra 200 people push in price. So that's all we have. Shall be the first hub, and there's just for educational series, only.